Hello lockpickers, and today in the vise we have a little 3-lever lock. That's the bit in. So this part here is what's going to be tensioning the bolt at the back. So first lever going to lift up high, and then the second and the third not quite so high. So I picked this up off the market the other day for £1. So let's have a little look, see if we can get in there. So we got the bolt there. Try and reach around the camera. I'm using my Handy Mac tools because we know they work. So let's just go in and feel the levers. One more to get. That's that one set. I don't know if I've overset there. Ease off. Right, we have got it. Just got to try and throw the bolt. No, it's gone past that bit, so I just need a little bit more length on there. We should be able to. Yeah, we can just see it's going in there. Look. But yeah, so we got an open. So let's just pull this to bits, and we can see what we're working with. Let's get that out of the way for now, and pan down a bit. Use my new screwdriver I got from Fix Pick and Lock yesterday. That noise you can hear in the background is the builders across the road, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning and they've been going for well over an hour now. Oh, look at that, nice and gunky inside. So yeah, what we're doing when we're using our tension wrench is mimicking the back part of the key. So that's this part here, which is going to be throwing the bolt, which is the bit at the back. So let me just try and do that. Move the case off is a bit harder. There we go. Right, so what we're doing is trying to lift these levers to get inside this little gate here. So you see this front one has to be lifted up this high, but just in the background you can see the next one, this is so gunky, only has to come up to here. So that's the difference in depth between the first lever and the second. We know the third one's the same as the second one. So what it's doing is the key is lifting each of these up into their own heights which they need to be until it lines up perfectly so that this bolt can slide through this little groove. And this little gap in here is, let me put the key in from this side, is where the key would turn. Let's bring that bolt back, make it a bit easier. So as the key turns, right, try and hold it where you can see, it's lifting each one of them to where they need to be and then pulling the bolt back, which I can't do properly because the casing would normally hold it all straight. But yeah, as you can see at the back here in that groove, the key is holding onto that bolt, and that's what our tension wrench does. So when we're tensioning from the front, but I'll pop it in from the back just so you've got a clearer view. Right, so that's in now. as we're tensioning, that's pulling that across from there. You can just about see. So yeah, awesome little lock for £1. Nice little pick. Definitely needs a clean up. But yeah, anyone who's getting into lever locking, spend a bit of time with some 3 levers before you start going on to the big boys, because they can be a bit tricky, the 4 levers. When you say that, so can some of the 3 levers. But stick with it. Make sure you got some good tools, and yeah, Andy Mack is the guy to see if you need some of those. So thanks for watching this quick vid, and see you soon. Bye bye.